in the mud. We'll assist on it while I can go back to driving straight again. Welcome back to Midtown, everybody. As y'all can tell, I'm sitting in the combine already. We got our service up this morning, fueled up, greased up, got the chain sprayed. We're ready to start rolling on corn again. But we finished this front part here last night, and so we're going to move down. We got 4 more fields to cut on this farm, and we can move. There's supposed to be more rain coming in tonight, so we're just doing what we can do between the weather. So, y'all enjoy. So we're gonna be cutting across the field to get back in this other little field. The field we finished up yesterday. Didn't film nothing yesterday. We didn't think that we were gonna cut as much as we did, so we forgot to bring the camera. I'll swing you like this. My brother's right there loading the truck up. So he's loading the last load of grain out that came out of this field. We was able to last night cut 2 dump truck full, park him in a barn, and then fill the grain cart up and leave the tarp rolled over on it for the night. And the tarp was just rolled over not to, didn't think it didn't rain any, but we thought we might have a heavy dew like we have been having the last couple of weeks. We've been having real heavy dews in the morning. So we rolled it over, that way it don't get any damper than it needs to be. So right now I'm still up in rows up in this little field at 8 foot. I think there's 2 acres in this little patch right here. And this field, the Amish horses got out. They got into about 8 big draft horses. They running. They didn't eat none of them. They knocked quite a bit down. Well, that's a full load. We'll dump this out real quick. So we're unloading our first load for the day. Got the new state flag, bam, Tennessee. There comes my brother right there. He's bringing the 4755 down here with a 1210 grain cart. He's got 1 load in the red dump truck to take back to the grain bin. He's gonna leave stuff sitting here, then we'll be moving further back in this farm.
Don's got a truck, he's at the house.
10-4. Hey, them horses that run off through this corn behind the greenhouse.
Yeah, I got a little bit of that air like the creek crashing too.
So if y'all heard on the radio, on the 2-way there, Dad's back. Dad's with us today. He's gonna be driving dump trucks for a little while. While me and Jesse run the combine and the grain cart. I know how to make things go a lot faster having 3 people here. All right, folks, that's this little field done. We're gonna move to the next one, and I told you it wasn't a very big field, so right over there is where we stored some hay. That's the back hay storage area. There's the edge of the field, and then right where that grass is right there, that's the other edge of the field. It's just I think 2.5 acres right here. So the driveway's right there. But due to some trees being in the way right over here, I made me a different spot to go into the field over here. Yeah, instead of limbing up a bunch of trees back over there, I just cut a bigger gap right here. I cut a 40-foot gap. Makes it easier to get in. So we'd have come in right over here, and the driveway's right here. I'll show you TV post. There's the driveway. Got to go downhill towards the creek. We got one creek bottom field down here. As you can see right there. And back up there's the top of the hill, up there. We're going to the bottom. I'll show you some horse damage too. So if you can see all the knockdown corn right here, goes back up in here, goes back over there. That's courtesy of our Amish neighbors. So we're gonna get to hammer some corn out. So if y'all can tell, we're about to get into a spot that ground down. Right now, I can feel the combine spinning. Maybe I get to it without having to turn the rear wheel assist on. Looks like it did. That's some pretty good ruts. I'll show you all them when we come back through. You know, but that's hard to creek bottoms. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna eat my lunch. Oh, here comes Jesse off the hill. Well, if he didn't park too far away. He's a little bit further over than it needs to be, but it's easier for me to scoot over to him than for him to try to back up beside me. In the mud. Rear wheel assist on it, way I can go back to driving straight again. So it's just wet enough to want the combine to slide into these woods right here. I don't want to do that, so I had to turn the rear wheel assist on so I'll drive straight. It's not really making any ruts. Just wanting the combine to slip down into the woods. We're back, folks, so I had a little delay in harvest. Was too long, not long after I told you I'd be right back when we got cutting more. I noticed that my fan quit blowing on my AC. So we got the old owner's manual out, said to check the relays, so we got up. The relays for the AC are up in the back by the motor. So we got up there with a voltage tester and tested it, and the relay is actually a starter solenoid. It's a three wire starter solenoid. So we got up there and checked it. Had power coming in, but didn't have power going across it, so it was dead. Called our local dealer, and they actually happened to have one in stock. So I drove up there and got one. So it's about a 45-minute drive from my house to the dealer. Ran up there, got it, got back, and so I think I left at like 1:40. I got back at 3:40. Yeah. I got back about 3:20, and then we put it on combine, and we're headed back to the back of the farm again now. So, you know, things happen. Headed back across the creek, hitting the head on the ground. So we're headed back here. Not gonna get as much cut today. I thought we'd get cut if wouldn't have had this little slowdown. Dropping my stuff at work. And found the screwdriver I misplaced a while ago. wouldn't have had a little setback, we would already have this hilltop field cut and be in the very back cutting the last 8 acres. But it's one of those things, no big deal. So we'll get back to y'all when we get up in this other field. Until then, getting dark, folks. Just sitting there waiting on my brother to show back up, and here he comes. See the trees. So it's about 6:30, starting to get dark out. Rain is supposed to be in here tonight. Supposed to have about a 30-minute, maybe an hour rain shower about 9 o'clock. So we're gonna get this 13-acre field cut. I know we'll get it done this evening. I don't know if we'll get in the back 8 tonight or not. We're gonna try to get up there. Rain's about 2 counties west of us headed this direction, but we think we can all just cut this evening. But
yeah, the Weather Channel, I think, on board to start till 10 o'clock tonight.
Yeah, and see, you just said the Weather Channel ain't calling it to start till 10 tonight. But we're gonna try. We're gonna try to get some done. That's all of this field, folks. We're going to ride on to the back. As you can see in the grain tank, that's about half a tank, so that's about 100 bushels or so, give or take a bushel. So y'all hold on, we're headed towards the back. Alright, I'm going to show y'all this part. So to my north right now, there's an old pond and it has beavers in it. See right down here, this probably 20-foot area right here has been all cleared out from the beavers. Stupid beavers eat your corn. I think this is where I'm gonna leave y'all, unless something exciting happens. Hopefully not, you know. But if it does, I'll be sure to get a shot of it. So appreciate y'all being with me today. With me, I mean us, me and my brother. I hope y'all enjoyed it. You know, if you do, give us a like, you know, subscribe, you know, drop a comment if you see something you want to chat about, or you just won't feel like saying something. Go right ahead and do it, man. Hope y'all did enjoy it. Appreciate y'all being with me, and if the good Lord willing, catch you on the flip side.